Hello again. We're going for another little stroll today. This time we're going to go to the parade of shops that are on your left as you leave the hotel. So normally when we come out we turn right and go towards Puerto del Carmen as we've done in previous videos, but this time we're going to go left. And we haven't gone down this way before, so we're just going to have a quick look. Some people did tell us there's a few shops down there and a couple of little cafés and a supermarket, so we thought we would just go down and have a look.
This way, is it?
As you can see, all the cleaners are busy today, going around changing all the rooms, clearing them all. It's quite easy to get lost in this hotel, it's very large. But still, it's a nice view with the palm trees. Now I think I did say on a previous video it was a bit tricky trying to get out onto the main road because there's only one entrance in and out that we could find, one little gate, and it's card operated, this one, so depending on where you are in the hotel you may have to double back on yourself, which can be a bit awkward. But nevertheless, it takes you directly onto the road and then you can just walk in either direction. So there's one of the guests there just opening it for us. And then, as I say, normally we turn right, but we're going to turn left and just walk up this road. There's a few shops. Now I don't know if it's any nearer, it's probably much the same distance as the shops going the other way, but we thought we'd just take a look. Just as a change of scenery. This direction is sort of heading towards the airport. We're not going to walk as far as the airport, obviously. Another big hotel there on the left. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be as much in the way of shops, restaurants and bars down this end. It seems to be quieter, but maybe it is as you go further up, but we're just going to go on a short walk. Plenty of benches to sit down on. That's the bus stop there. So here we are. I think it's called Ocean. Few shops. I think they hire bikes out here. We'll go and have a look at that. Try shop. So they've got a big selection of bikes here, male and female ones. Some are pedal only and some are battery, and also the scooters. Some of the big fat bikes there, battery powered. Now I did look at the prices on some of those bikes and they were like €40 for a day, which I thought was a bit steep. Anyway, there's a nice little restaurant there. We may try that one out. Fairly quiet at the moment, but this is in the morning time. So there's a pharmacy, a shop, a hire shop. We'll just have a look around the back here. Well, there's probably a lot more, but I'm just having a quick look around here. And here's some of those four-wheeled bikes, those quite large ones. Got quite a lot of those. Yeah, I bet in the summer months they're quite busy. As I've said in previous videos, when we visited, we were in late October, early November. So there's probably not as many out and higher. So they've got a little spa on the right here. There's a lot of spas in Lanzarote, I've noticed. There's one up towards the strip as well, and one this way. I'll go and have a quick look in there. I've got all my water and stuff with me, so don't necessarily need anything, but we'll have a quick look. Pretty much everything you want in here by the look of it. It's even got a bakery as well there. Take a look down there. Take a look at the lays. You can't walk past those. Yeah, they're just over, I think it was €2 for a pack of the big pack there. All the different flavours. It's got all your sun creams, all your alcohol, cigarettes, pretty much everything really. Bottles of sangria there. All reasonably priced. €3 for a big bottle like that. And then the beers, a lot of Spanish beers there obviously. San Miguel, Cruz Campo, and obviously your Heineken there on the right. That's well stocked, obviously quite a popular one. And a lot of ones I've not actually heard of. Obviously water. So, cold meats and stuff. If you were doing self-catering, you'd pretty much get everything you needed in the spa, that's for sure. And all your sun creams. But I don't need any sun cream, so that's pretty much it really. Go back outside. So, like I say, there's a few shops here. Not a great deal, but I think as you walk further up, there's even more. But we were just coming along here, just to have a quick look. And just in front of us there, that's the beach. So that's it. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.